Hello students, Sai Ram. In the last session, we have learned about angle sum property of a triangle. Today, we will learn about triangle inequality theorem. This theorem tells us to determine if any three lengths can create a triangle or not. Let us see this. Now here, there are three non-collinear points A, B and C. They are joined to form three paths, that is AB, BC and AC. Suppose if you are standing at point A and your friend is at B. You have to go to meet your friend B. You can directly go from A to B along the path AB. Or you can take the other path, that is from A to C and then C to B. Then you have to cover more distance because AC plus CB is greater than AB. Now suppose if you are standing at B and your friend is at C, you have to go and meet him. You can go directly from B to C along the path BC, or you can go from B to A and then A to C. Here also the same case, BA plus AC is again greater than BC. Same way, if you are standing at C and your friend is at A, you can go directly from C to A, or you can go from C to B and then B to A. But here you will have to cover more distance because CB plus BA is greater than AC. And this is called as triangle inequality theorem. Here you can see in a triangle ABC, BC plus AB is greater than AC. That means the sum of two sides, any two sides is greater than the third side. AC plus BC is greater than AB. And then AB plus AC is greater than BC, which tells that the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Now here you see, this is called as triangle inequality theorem, which tells that AB plus AC, that means sum of any one pair of side is always greater than the third side. Like AB plus AC is greater than BC, AB plus BC is greater than AC, and AC plus BC is greater than AB. Now here you can see three triangles with side X, Y and Z. But in all the cases you can see the third side is always less than the sum of other two sides of a triangle. Now let us add each pair of sides to see if it is greater than the third side or not. Let us find out with the help of example. The first example here is 3 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. They have given a triangle with these three sides, 3 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. So let us add each pair of sides and find out whether we get a value which is greater than the third side or not. First combination, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is greater than 6. Now next combination, 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is again greater than 3. Third combination, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is again greater than 4. So in all the three cases you can see the addition of two sides is always greater than the third side. Since each two sums are greater than the third one, so it can be a triangle. You can make a triangle. Now let us see next example. Here they have given a triangle with the side 4 unit, 5 unit and 7 unit. Now can it form a triangle? We can work out and we can find out this. Now again we'll do by the same method which we have learned just now. We will add any two sides. 4 plus 5 is 9. and 9 is greater than the third side, that is 7. Now let us take the next combination. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is again greater than 4. And then the third combination, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 is again greater than 5. So we can form a triangle. Now let us see the next example. Here you can see 4. One side is given 4 unit, the other one is 2. And third side is 7. So when you are adding 4 and 2, we are getting here 6, which is not greater than 7. So on addition, when you get a value which is less than 7, we cannot form a triangle. Now let us see one more example here. This is again a triangle with side 7 unit, 9 unit and 8 unit. Now we are going to add and see. We are going to add each pair of side and we will find out whether we get the sum bigger than the third side or less than the third side. First combination, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. And 15 is greater than 9. Second combination, 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. And 17 is again greater than 7. Now third combination is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is how much? 17. So 17 is again, it is 16. 16 is again greater than 8. So in all the cases we are getting the sum which is greater than 8. So this shows that we can make a triangle with these 3 sides. Now the next example is, length of the sides are given 10, 4 and 3. So let us try with all the 3 combination, all the 3 sets of sides. We will add and see whether the value is bigger than the third side or not. First combination, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is greater than 4. Second combination is 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is again greater than 3. Now third one, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 and it is not greater than 10. So if one of the set of side does not satisfy the rule, we cannot form a triangle. So here with this sides 10, 4 and 3, we cannot form a triangle. Now let us take another example. This is, can you make a triangle here? They have given the side as 4, 10 and 12 units. So let us find out. Let us add first 2 sides. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 is again greater than 10. Now second combination, 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 is again greater than 4. Now third combination is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is again greater than 12. So yes, we can make a triangle. Now there are some more examples with 3 sides given and we have to find out whether they can be the sides of a triangle or not. Here they have given a right angle triangle with side 3, 4 and 5. Same way you will have to write all the 3 combinations. First you are going to write 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then you will write 7 is greater than 5. Then you will take 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is again greater than 3. And then you will take the third combination 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is again greater than 4. So we can make a triangle out of these 3 sides. Now second one, it appears we cannot create a triangle with side lengths 3, 4 and 9 units. Let us see how. Because when you are adding, let us start with the first combination 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Oh. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 which is less than 9. So can you form a triangle? No. Because if the sum of any one pair is less than the third side, we cannot form a triangle. So here, in this example here, with this side 3, 4 and 9 units, we cannot form a triangle. Now let us see one more example here. They have given the side as 4 unit, 5 unit and 12 unit. Now let us start with one by one all the combination. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 is greater than 5. Now second combination, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 is less than 12. So when you get a value after addition which is smaller than the third side, you can write that we cannot make a triangle out of these 3 sides. Now let us go to the next example. The measures of 2 sides of a triangle are given. So here they have given you the measure of 2 sides of a triangle. Between what 2 numbers must the third side fall? So you have to find out the third side. So let us take the third side as x. Now first what you are going to do? You are going to find out the maximum value. So to find out the maximum value, first you are going to add both the values which are given. Add both the sides. So the first side is given as 15 and the next side measures 9. So we are going to add these 2 values. 15 plus 9 is 24. So this will be the maximum value. And then we will subtract also these 2 values. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. So we got maximum value and minimum value. Now where the third side will lie? The third side will be in between these 2 numbers. That means the value of x should be less than 24, but it should be greater than 6. So this is the way you will find out the third side if they give you 2 sides. Now we will go to the next example and see. Find the range of the third side. Example, given a triangle with sides of length 3 and 7. Find the range of possible values for the third side. So again we have to find out the third side. Same method which I have told you just now, same way we are going to find. So let us take the third side as x. Let x be the length of the third side of the triangle. So now first we will find out the maximum value. So maximum value, just now I have told you, you are going to add both the sides. So both the sides when you add you will get 3 plus 7 and 3 plus 7 is 10. That means sum of the 2 sides of a triangle is 10. So the third side will be less than the sum of the 2 sides. Then the minimum value we'll find out, will subtract 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So then you will write, therefore the third side should lie between 4 and 10. That means x should be between 4 and 10. X should be, the third side should be less than 10, but it should be greater than 4. Now let us, this is the method you have to show that the third side should be less than the sum of the other side, but it should be greater than the difference of the other 2 sides. But when they give you 3 sides of a triangle, then you are going to add any 2 sides and the third side, the longest side, should be less than the sum of the other 2 sides. Or you can say sum of the other 2 sides should be greater than the third side. Now let us do some examples based on this theorem. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? And the sides are given as 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So let us add each pair of sides. Now first combination is 2 plus 3. So when we are adding 2 plus 3, we are getting 5, which is equal to the third side. But according to the theorem, the sum of any two numbers, any two sides should be greater than the third side. So here we are getting equal. So it is not possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now let us see the next example here. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. First combination will take first two values, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is greater than 7. Now second combination, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. And 13 is greater than 3. Now third combination is 3 and 7. So let us add this. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is again greater than 6. So in all the cases you can see the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Thus the sum of any two of this number is greater than the third. Hence it is possible to draw a triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now let us go to the next example here. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. You can see a point O is in the interior of a triangle PQR. Now the question is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? Second one, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. And third question is OR plus OP is greater than RP. So let us find out. For this, first you have to join this to all the points. Now the point which is there in the interior of the triangle O has to be joined with point O, R, P and Q. So O will be joined to R and then again O will be joined to P and then O will be again joined to Q. So this way you will get like this figure. You will get three triangles inside. That is triangle OPQ, OQR and ORP. Now we will take one by one each triangle and we will find out whether this is correct or not. Okay, the first is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Now here you see, is it true? OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? Yes. So we'll write here, yes. In triangle OPQ has sides OP, OQ and PQ. And OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. And then you will write down in bracket, the sum of the length of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Same way now, the next one you will see here, the question is OQ plus OR is greater than QR. So we'll see that triangle. All of here in this now here OQ, OP and PQ all you have seen here. Yes, again we'll write yes. In triangle OQR has sides OR, OQ and QR. And OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Same way you are going to see the third triangle ORP. You have to see the third triangle ORP. Here also you will see OR plus OP is greater than RP. So yes, here also it proves that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now the next example is AM is a median of a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC is given and AM is the median, which is dividing this triangle into two triangles, that is triangle ABM and triangle AMC. Now you have to prove is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Now first we will consider this triangle. Here you see, we will write first the sum of the length of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Now we will take first triangle ABM. Okay, and here in triangle ABM you will write here AM is equal to AB. AM is greater than AB plus BM, because the third side is always greater than the sum of the other two sides. So we'll write like this, AB plus BM is greater than AM. Same way we will take another triangle ACM. Here again we'll write AC plus CM is greater than AM. So this way we will get two equations. First equation is AB plus BM is greater than AM. And second equation is AC plus CM is greater than AM. Now we are going to add both the equation. So when we'll add this two equation, we'll write like this. AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. And AM plus AM is twice AM, 2 AM. Now here in this figure you can see that BM and CM, if you combine these two, you will get BC. When you combine these two, you will get BC. So BM plus CM, we will write here BC. So you will write AB plus BC plus AC. And that is greater than 2 AM. Hence, the given expression is true. So this is the way you can prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 AM. Now let us go to the next example. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. We have done many examples based on it. So they have given two sides. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? So you have to find out the third side and you have to find out the range, the measure. Now first we will write down the sum of the length of any two side is always greater than the third side, because we are going to follow this theorem. Now what are the sides given? Two sides of a triangle are given as 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. We don't know the third side, so we have to find out the third side. So third side will be less than the sum of these two sides. We have learned. So we are going to add this two to find out the maximum value. So 12 plus 15 is 27. So we got 27. Now we will find out the minimum value. So to find out the minimum value, you have to subtract. 15 minus 12 we will write. And 15 minus 12 we will get 3. So what does it mean? You got two numbers. One you got 27, the other one is 3. That means the third side will fall between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. That means the third side will be less than 27 centimeter. But it should be greater than 3 centimeter. The difference of both the sides. So the difference of both the sides is here 3 centimeter. So it should be more than 3 centimeter. But it should be less than 27 centimeter. I hope you all have followed this. Now there are some questions for home assignment based on what we have learned today. Solve it in your homework notebook. Try to do all the sums which we have done today. Practice at home. This is the end of this session. Thank you. See you tomorrow.